What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another demo of Semantee.ai, and this time around we have a little bit more of a fun, exotic one for you, but a very useful one nonetheless. So what you can see here is a demonstration of how you can interact with a system created by Semantee, which has read and understands an entire psychodiagnostic methodology. In this case, we're using the HEXACO personality test, which is a diagnostic tool that rates the respondent along the 6 dimensions you can see on the left side: emotionality, extroversion, agreeableness, conscientiousness, openness to experience, and humility and honesty. On the left-hand side, you can then see this makeshift personality whose HEXACO dimensions we can change, and we will change on the fly. On the right-hand side is our interactive avatar consultant, whom we can ask virtually any questions pertaining to this made-up character on the left, such as their ability to cooperate, what to look out or for example, their strengths or weaknesses. So let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our first question here. We're going to ask something that relates specifically to this particular character right here. What types of positions would this candidate be suitable for?
Given the candidate's profile, they would excel in creative roles that require innovation and interaction, but not necessarily needing teamwork or high ethical standards. Ideal roles could be marketing and advertising, sales, especially in innovative industries, artistic or creative positions, entrepreneurial ventures, roles needing high compliance. Team collaboration or ethical considerations might not be the best fit.
All right, so let's try to change this person up and give them a bit more honesty and a slightly lower extroversion and higher agreeableness. And let's try to ask about one of these characteristics specifically. How could I ask from a behavioral science standpoint about extroversion?
You could ask, can you describe a situation where you worked closely with a team? How did you contribute to group discussions and activities?
Okay, and one of the interesting things about this system is that you can ask it in virtually any language, and the avatar will reply directly in that particular language. So let's switch to German for a second. Für welche Arbeitsstellen wäre dieser Kandidat gut geeignet?
Dieser Kandidat wäre gut geeignet für kreative und soziale Arbeitsstellen, wie zum Beispiel in der Kunst, im Design oder in beratenden Rollen. Die hohe Ehrlichkeit sorgt für Integrität, hohe Emotionalität und Offenheit für Empathie und Kreativität. Die mittlere Extraversion und Verträglichkeit unterstützen Teamarbeit, auch wenn die niedrige Gewissenhaftigkeit strukturiertes Arbeiten erschweren könnte.
All right, and final question, let's try to switch to Czech, a slightly more unusual language. Jak bych se kandidáta mohl behaviorálně zeptat na jeho emocionalitu?
Můžete se zeptat například, můžete popsat situaci, kdy jste byli pod velkým stresem a jak jste se s tím vypořádali, nebo jak obvykle reagujete, když čelíte kritice nebo selhání?
Now, obviously, this was a little bit of a show off with the avatar on the right hand side. The system can be made much more useful, for example, if it was just a simple chatbot interface with which you can either interact using written words or audio. But in general, it's a very useful system when you have a psychodiagnostic tool and you're an HR manager and you just want to find out what to look out for with a particular candidate based on their test results, how to ask about specific things, and how that particular person might cooperate with other people in your team based on their profiles. So it can be a very, very useful system, in fact. If you're interested in more specific details, or if you're interested in getting a personalized demo, or if you just simply want to use this in production, please feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to have a chat.